attention. This is Sparta.
Khun Dalad, will you please come down and dance with me? Khun Dalad. Khun Dalad. Khun Dalad. Walk to the start with a couple of wheels. Walk back to his right, to the back. When the place act good and free, really go to the kitchen and leave the place. When I can taste it, you look in the real thing. I'm so hungry, yes. When I eat it right now, let me eat it right now. Yeah, in the count of one. Fun and the fan would like to give something to you.
Grandma, I'm getting tired. Hi, I'm Fawn. And I'm Netza, and we're in our first year of high school at ISD. Over the past 3 years, we've grown closer to Khun Dalad, and we would like to say some words for her. So when we were in 6th grade, we were like scared to get anywhere near her, and she was really scary, but like the more we were sent to the office, the closer we were. Eventually, Khun Dalad became more of a friend than a staff. And so now we go to Khun Dalad just to talk to her about boys and like school and exams. And yeah, the exams are over, so that's good. So we would like to just thank Khun Dalad for being here for us and for supporting us through everything. And we want to give her a present. We want to give her flowers. So we just want everyone to like make sure to say bye to Khun Dalad because we're gonna miss her. And if you want to sing. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Devi, would you like to say anything?
Khun Dalad, we're gonna miss you. I remember the time when I hid under your desk when you went to talk to Mr. Souza. And you came back and I grabbed your leg and you screamed. And then everyone came running out to see what happened. I thought I gave you a heart attack. Yes, thank you.
Okay, now I would like everyone to stand up and give a big round of applause to Khun Dalad.